Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sign up or log in. Save your chat history, share chats, and personalize your experience. Parquet is a columnar storage file format used in the Apache Hadoop ecosystem. It's particularly efficient for analytics and data processing tasks. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to open Parquet files in Python using the Pandas library. Before proceeding, ensure you have Python installed on your system. Additionally, you'll need to install the Pandas library, which you can do via pip. Pandas provides a convenient method read_Parquet, to read Parquet files. Here's a step-by-step guide. Replace file name.parquet with the actual path to your Parquet file. Pandas will load the data from the Parquet file into a data frame, DF. Once you've loaded the data into a data frame, you can explore it using various data frame methods and attributes. For example, let's put it all together in an example. Suppose we have a Parquet file named example.parquet with the following contents. In this tutorial, you learned how to open Parquet files in Python using the Pandas library. By following these steps, you can easily load Parquet files into data frames and perform various data analysis tasks. Experiment with your own Parquet files and explore the rich functionality offered by Pandas.